Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to create an Apple account, so let's start. As you can see, I'm here on Apple page, official page. I'm here, and well, what you can do is the next thing, following these steps. In this case, I will try as iPhone, iPad, or Apple Vision Pro. So how could you can create it? So create your Apple account when you set up of your device. So you have to tap forgot password, or you don't have an Apple account as it shows on the picture, and tap to create a free Apple account. Then you have to select your birthday, enter your name, and then to continue. You have to provide your email address. This primary email address will be what we use to sign in to your Apple account. If you don't have an email address, you have to tap don't have an email address to get a free iCloud email address. So then you have to follow on screen steps to verify your email address, create a strong password, set up your country region, and set up factor authentication. If you choose to skip this step, you will prompt to do it later settings. Then after you verify your email address, you can sign into your new Apple account to use the Apple Store or other Apple services such as iCloud. As you use your new device, you may be asked to enter your phone number or payment method and billing information. Your phone number can help to verify your identity and recover your account if you need. If you enter a payment method, you won't be changed until you make purchase. Okay, so that's how you can create an Apple account on iPhone, iPad, or Apple Vision without any problem. Of course, there are many ways to create it. For example, if you create an account on Mac, etc., you can go to this page and following the instructions here. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.